bringing the quiet universe alive with you. A cosmic gaze and a steady hand, guiding the stars across this paper land. Oh Rosalina, you're the ink in the dream, a galaxy flowing in a gentle stream. Oh Rosalina, shining in your light, making this little drawing feel so bright. Glitching through the neon nebula, pixie dust trail on a cosmic shuttle run. Leaping on the circle platforms, my light speed comet breaking all the data storms. Collecting every bright star fragment, flowing hair is like a liquid chrome banner. Hyper jumping at the speed of sound, we're never ever gonna touch the ground.
Came up from the kingdom, had to level up my stats. She holding down the galaxy, protecting all the maps. Got that cosmic velocity when we hitting hyperdrive. In her starlight orbit, yeah, I never felt so alive.
That cosmic flow,